ephezulu ebambe ifoni, I cannot say ukuthi besesibhedlela. Angithi bayakwazi ukuveza ama-screenshots nama-video. Why bengazivezi isithombe sika-Amanda esesibhedlela? Phiwe.
Okay.
Angithi bayakwazi ukudlala ama-video baveze i-evidence yayo yonke into. So uma wayengakwazi ukuveza isithombe sa-Amanda esesibhedlela, yini enzima lapho? Since u-Amanda usesibhedlela lokhu kushiwo ngomlomo. If bayakwazi ukuveza enye into eyi-proof, nayo u-Amanda vele. And akusikhona mina ukuthi fanele ngizoprove ukuthi u-Amanda usesibhedlela. Ibona kumele ukuthi baprove lokho.
No. Yazi why ngibuze le question. The reason why ngibuze le question. Kunabantu abayi-2 that are in contact. Angikhulumi ngalo sisi lo ngene la. Abantu bayaphenya la baphenya khona. I cannot mention the name ezabantu abasebenza laphayana esibhedlele. It can put those people in danger and angibaza ngitshela ngalabo bantu. I'm not saying this information engisho it is true. Kodwa bathi uAmanda akekho esibhedlele. Ne? And ngihlale nazi ukuthi le information engishoyo, I'm not saying ukuthi these people lento abayishoyo kuyiqiniso. That's the reason why nonsi engibuze leyo question leyo. That is why bengibuza ukuthi wena umbona ku, because mina when I entered the live bese kushushu maqeda waphuma. Yabona? So all of this allegedly. So Eshowe or mama ga Eshowe. Is it possible that tomorrow ngifuna nikhethe isikhathi ne if ulentuzana uyakhona ukungena on the live sibone ukuthi usesibhedlela, I don't mind ukuthi before mina ngiphuma siye lapha yana because kule ya home mele sifike ngo12. I don't mind ukuthi ngene live on 9:30 ekseni or 10 o'clock the latest. Sibone ukuthi or not tomorrow, today, I mean masivuka. Sibone ukuthi usesibhedlela. One, if she's not in a good space yokukhuluma, it's fine. Then ilive yethu ya wonke umuntu ibuye futhi ngobani isikhathi ngo8 p.m. Kodwa kusasa, is it possible she doesn't have to say anything? We just need to see ukuthi kusasa ekseni usesibhedlela. Umyuthile mzala.
Baze sabantu ababi abanamanga. Abantu sebewahubhuze kangaka amanga kulo live. Hey. Yazi mina angisafuni nanokuthi ngingathini. Mhlawumbe ngize ngisho ukuthi usewadine ukuthi uAmanda kanje. Angisafuni. Kahle futhi wayileyo evidence yokuthi usesibhedlela nani. Yindaba thina kumele sikhipha ama-evidence ekubeni abantu abakhuluma la bengena evidence bona kuqala. Ekubeni uAmanda usesibhedlela uAmanda and ngisho angazi nombani manje ungathula.
Ngicela uphendula. I-reason why sifuna i-evidence yaka Amanda in the morning is because of wonke umuntu lebele yakhuluma and igama lika Amanda liyavela and yena akageze azozikhulumela but ukhonile ukungena live yaka notes. That is the reason. We are not saying ukuthi nina ni wrong or nina ni right. Amanda kahle if kusasa usesibhedlele and yonke into kunezinto angazazi mele beze bazo apologize because basukela umntana abantu ongayenzanga nix. So siyacela
manje okushuthi siyavumelana ukuthi usukeliwe uAmanda engenzanga lutho.
At this point mina ngiyavuma ukuthi bayamsukela because there is no evidence ekhomba kuye because masiveza isithombe labantu bebamkhomba bathi asuhuye. But it's not the person. So mina ngithi ngiyavuma ukuthi bayamsukela uAmanda. Because akekho nomuntu oyedwa oze ne evidence eneqiniso. So all I need ukuthi just so that everyone abe happy ngalento lena si move on a clear conscience singashi any stone unturned. Kusasa ekseni 10 o'clock asingeneni akanidi ukuthi akhulume anything mzala. Mazithi 10 ngingena ke live uyangena, hi mzala, hi kunjani sharp. how are you feeling? Maybe ngiba ngcono nyana. Okay, sharp. Ngicela sibonane late ngo-8 urelaxe. Sicela uze ne-case number and also surely khona ezinye izinto azizwile. Yabona siyenze kahle. Angazi wena uthini.
Hayi, ngiyakuzwa mzala.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa. Yena ke shemu sesibhedlela ke ofuna iproof kusho ukuthi uzoyithola kusasa ukuthi uAmanda usesibhedlela. And ebengifuna ukukuchaza futhi bengifuna ukuchaza indaba yokuthi uAmanda since azama ukuyibulala wangena esibhedlela. Ifoni yakhe ibingekho kuyena. Ifoni yakhe ibikuma wakhe. All along ubengakwazi ukungena ku live. Futhi ubengakwazi
nokukhuluma.
Ubengakwazi futhi nanokukhuluma nani ubevuma nje ephika uAmanda ubengakwazi ukukhuluma. Namanje futhi akakabikho fit ukuthi sengathiwa usefit right ngoba kusana nama test afane aranwe futhi na next week okukhombisa ukuthi usazohlala esibhedlela.
Mina uyabona lapho mzala ngivumelana nawe ene akumelanga simu force